Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we'll be highlighting Mom's Curry Noodle Soup from Arnold Myint's cookbook, Family Thai. Arnold is a James Beard semi-finalist and works as a chef at his family's Thai restaurant in Nashville, Tennessee, International Market and Restaurant. If Arnold's name sounds familiar to you, you may have seen him on Top Chef and Food Network Star. His cookbook is his way of honoring his mother's legacy and showing people of all cooking levels how delicious and fun Thai cooking can be. To start, slice the gai lan on a bias. Set aside. Put the rice noodles in a bowl filled with warm water until noodles are soft. Fill a medium saucepan 3/4 full with water and bring to a boil. Add the noodles and cook for about 15 seconds. Remove the noodles from the saucepan and set aside. Add the gai lan to the boiling water and cook for 15 seconds. Strain through a fine mesh strainer and set aside. Mix together the nam sai or clear bone broth and red curry paste in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir the mixture until it becomes fragrant and the color deepens, which will take about 2 minutes. Add the curry powder and the magic powder. Allow to simmer for 1 minute. Reduce the heat, add the cooked shredded chicken and simmer for 1 minute. Add the coconut milk. Place your noodles in a soup bowl. Place the gai lan in the bowl and top with the curry noodle soup. Garnish with peanuts, chili oil, fried onions, cilantro, and a lime cheek. Enjoy Mom's Curry Noodle Soup. The list of ingredients and links to Arnold's Instagram and cookbook are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!